What's up, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 BMW M5. This vehicle is powered by a 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8, which pushes out 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Absolutely insane numbers, as this generation of the M5 is a plug-in hybrid. So this electric motor will give you, that extra power along with the 4.4-liter twin turbo V8, along with the 8-speed automatic transmission, getting extra boost from that electric component. So it's quite new for an M5 to have an electric powertrain. I'm very interested to see how it drives. As you guys know, I'm a huge BMW guy, and I love BMW M cars. So I love the interior. It's really, really nice, very luxurious. You have this Bowers & Wilkins sound system in this one. Very nice wet carbon fiber interior, and I love this newer trims that you find in higher end BMWs. It's like this color for the ambient lights. It's like this crystal looking thing, and I like how the iDrive controller says M on it. So you have giant M1 and M2 buttons in this car to configure your own M modes, and you also have carbon fiber shift paddles behind the steering wheel. But it's very interesting. This has a very synthesized noise, of course, considering it's a hybrid. Unless if you started in like a sportier setting with the exhaust and everything open, it's going to be silent like a typical hybrid vehicle. You have very cool bucket seats in this vehicle. Black interior in this one. Also says M5. You also have an Alcantara headliner in this car too. You have a 360 view camera. You have a M hybrid mode, M mode. Center console storage over there. And I love the wireless charging tray placement right here. It's very nice. You can fit 2 phones over there, which is fantastic. I wish more cars had very nice phone storage like that, where it's so easy and well integrated into the cabin. But let's and you also have heated seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel in this car. And I like the red start-stop button, typical that you find that in M vehicles, full M vehicles at least. But let's walk around this M5 and see what it looks like. Black sapphire metallic exterior. You have really nice wheels on this one. You also have blue M Performance brake calipers. Very interesting design on this car, that's for sure. I like the way the wagon looks, better than the sedan, but the sedan looks cool too. You have white LED headlights on this vehicle, light up grille. It's cool how the grille lights up, so it gives it a very distinctive look. I like how it says M5 back here too. Rear seats. You also have heated rear seats as well. And the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond sound system, the speaker grills are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You also have sunshades for the rear passengers. These wheels have a very intricate design, looks really, really nice. Definitely gives this car a cool look. It says M5 on the back, of course. You also have quad outlet exhaust. Look like they have a staggered setup where the outer ones stick inwards and the inner ones stick a little bit out. Here's the trunk space. You also have the charger. I'm not exactly sure what kind of range this gives you with on the electric power. But yeah, that's how you can open that door and plug in the vehicle that way. But yeah, I'm excited to get this car out on the road and see how it drives. That horsepower figure is absolutely ridiculous. I already know this thing is gonna pull like with the ridiculous power too. And this car, yeah, this car definitely stands out, that's for sure. It has a very big, it's a very big body sedan, and the lighting will definitely make it stand out. And the steering wheel is so thick. Look at that steering wheel, it's so thick. I love that. I love BMW's thick steering wheels. It's awesome. Oh my god, it is so fast. And those gear shifts are really aggressive. That's so cool. that's awesome. It is so powerful. It just has it's just rearing to go. Oh my god, it's so fast. What the heck, that is insane. That is so powerful. Oh my god. That is ridiculous. I'm just blown away by how powerful this car is. Oh my god. That is so fast. Oh my god. I just can't believe how powerful this car is. That is insane. I'm just blown away. I keep saying the same thing because it is truly insane. I'm literally gonna put in the title of this vehicle video, Insane Power, because that's what it is. And I love how aggressive the gear shifts are. I didn't expect that. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. Like, see, here's the thing. I have a G80 M3, and I have a manual transmission because I find it more fun than the M3 competition. The M3 competition is so fast, but I prefer the manual because it's more engaging. But you know, in this car has way more horsepower, almost 200 more than 200 more horsepower than a G80 M3 competition. So it just feels absolutely ridiculous, and the gear shifts are quite aggressive too. They feel more aggressive than the competition M3 competition did to me. Look at that, look how aggressive that is. That's awesome. I can't believe how insane this car is. It's just mind-blowing. What, like, that hybrid component, that the electrified powertrain makes this thing have instant torque and instant response to anything you do in this car. I absolutely love this M5. That power is just so crazy. I just can't believe how fast it is. It's just so instant. And in these sporty settings, the car is still so comfortable. The suspension is definitely stiffer, but it's still very, very comfortable, which is awesome. This is like an ultimate daily. I mean, obviously it's a very expensive car, but like, if you can afford it, if you have the means to spend $100,000 to $130,000 on a daily, this new M5 would be an awesome car for you. This thing's just absolutely mental. Like, I'm just blown away by it. And the interior, I love it. The seats are sporty yet comfortable at the same time. But what a car! What a car! You guys can probably tell how excited I am by this car right now. Like, I'm just blown away, like, in every way. Like, I knew it would be crazy powerful. I didn't know it would be this crazy. Like, it's hard to put into words the power delivery this thing has. my God. That is ridiculous. I love this new M5. What an amazing vehicle. And despite being such a big car, steering feels so good. I mean, it is an M5. You would expect that in an M vehicle. Steering feels fantastic. Suspension feels amazing. This is marvelous. Absolutely marvelous. And we have now returned to Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine, so we're about to conclude this video. Overall, this 2025 BMW M5 is a monster. Absolutely love this car. Thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo if you want to shop for awesome new certified pre-owned or pre-owned BMWs. And make sure you ask for the general manager, Alex at Volvo. Thanks to Alex for letting me drive this car. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.